Greetings from Right Group. This is a property at North Kolkata in Soha Bazar area. This is the main entry. As we move in, we reach the main sitting area. This is the main living area with a lot of sitting space. Lot of open area for sitting. Nicely decorated. As we move out from the main living area, we enter a small area which can be used as a living area also. Beside this living area, there is a room which can be used as a storeroom. On the other side, there is a room which can be used as a bedroom. There is a provision of washroom also on the ground floor. This is a bedroom on the first floor. Very big sized bedroom. This is the dining area adjacent to the kitchen. Decent sized kitchen with chimney. Beside it is the washroom. Now we move on to the first floor living area. Beside the living area is another bedroom. With a lot of antique furnitures. This is another bedroom, also on the first floor. From the first floor living area, there is adjacent washroom also. On the second floor, from the living area, we move into the master bedroom. This is the big sized master bedroom. From the master bedroom of the second floor, we move into another bedroom, also on the second floor. Also on the second floor, we move into the third room, which can be used as a work from home office space or another bedroom. On the second floor, adjacent to the bedrooms, is the puja room. Very large sized, well decorated puja room. Huge size puja room. With a lot of interior decoration done. And this opens out to the second floor living area. For this property, please contact Right Group at 9830042930. contact us at 9830042930.